Sup guys, Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video, and we are working on the Tacoma. We're going to get four-wheel drive fixed. Got the drive shaft back in from the last video on the Tacoma. I don't know if that was the last one. Keith's actually bringing in the jack stands right now, so he's over with us. And also, huge update on the garage, the shed. I didn't film just because it's kind of dumb, but really awesome to me. Probably should have filmed it when the little rug was down, but let me flip the camera around. Yeah, this is the new shed style. Don't have the shelves right here anymore. We got all four shelves there. We got the workbench here. It's all on wood. Super big. This one's gonna go get keyed. I'm probably gonna have to drill this one out. The key is locked. I got these shelves for free from my uncle. Thank you. And yeah, and then we got big old lights, but you seen that in the last video. So we're gonna go ahead, get the pull the truck in, get her jacked up, and then start tearing her apart. So let's jump into the time lapse. Alright guys, so sorry I forgot to turn the time lapse on for jacking the truck up and working on it. I just got into the mood of starting it. I turned on the camera and then forgot to press the start button. But yeah, let's go into what we figured out yesterday and got fixed. At least we're pretty sure that we got fixed. So let me flip the camera around. So this is the engine bay, this is the power steering pump. Right there you can see a hose clamp. A little fuzzy, and then down there, right there is another hose clamp. So this line was pretty dry rotted and cracking, and we're pretty sure that was the one that was leaking. We cleaned up everywhere and then made this. We ran it for probably like 10 minutes, got it up to operating temperature, and then we let it sit for a couple hours, and then we came out to see if we could find any more power steering fluid leaks. Does not seem like we got any leaks from the front end. I think we do have underneath here. Racket pinion's way back here. It's all wiped off now. There's not any power steering fluid on the rack anymore. But we're pretty dang sure my torque converter is leaking from my transmission. So we're going to have to probably take out the transmission this winter. We're going to see how it is. Just trying to get everything fixed. And then we are definitely have to replace again. I don't know if Keith just put it in wrong. But let's see if I can get a good camera angle. Okay, not really. But axle seals are leaking again. So those got to get replaced again. They were replaced right before the diff got put back in. Not a big deal, but yeah, hopefully that fixed our power steering leak, because we do got a brand new rack, brand new power line, brand new high pressure line, but we didn't do anything with the low pressure line. I mean, we replaced the end hose on the other side. Now we have the end hose on this side. I think there's a middle hose for the low pressure. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe. But yeah, that got all that replaced, so hopefully the engine's gonna be doing good. We do got an oil leak, but we're pretty dang sure it's from like the front mainsail or the oil pan up here. We're gonna have to dig that into it a lot later, but we do want to get a little bit of driving into this winter, not winter, this summer, because today's July 5th, so happy 4th of July if you guys hopefully had a great time. But this is like 4 months late. I'm pretty sure that's pretty much going to be this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. I'm really loving the new shop. I haven't really used the lights at all yet, but I mostly got those for winter when it gets dark at 5 o'clock, 4:30, so I can come in here and actually work after work, where now it's light till 9:30, and I'm good. And it's light at like 5 a.m. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.